Action!
Hello, did you buy a puppy because you thought he was small, cute and sweet? Were you glad because he could enter in a small bowl? It was easy to take care of him, but now that puppy has become a hard and bothering dog? Well, we have the solution you are looking for. We have created a magic medicine that will save you. Give some drops of Puppy Forever to your dog and he will return to be that pretty puppy you fell in love with.